In this demonstration video, we discuss about the tool UC2Map used to automatically develop use case maps from the use case specifications by identifying relationship responsibilities and related functional dependencies among them. So this tool uses the Spacey natural language parser in Python to obtain the part of speech tags and type dependencies for each of the sentences that are there in the specifications. And then after that, it will identify the relationship responsibilities and components and then map the use case scenarios to the specific use case elements. So the use case maps can be generated by the tool in both the levels, that is a use case level and system level. So the UCM, that is use case map generated for the individual use case is the use case level maps, and the use case map generated for all the use cases combined to represent the whole system is the system level map. So this is the interface of the tool, and here is a sample file which can be downloaded in order to show that how it actually looks like. So the sample file looks like this. So it consists of the elements of the use cases, like you have the use case name, problem description, and then you have the primary actor, secondary actor, dependencies, precondition, postcondition, basic flow, alternative flow. So in this tool, it is taking the input in some kind of restrictive format that we have planned later to improve it so that we can incorporate the more general form of the use cases. So when we give this specific file as an input, and when we submit this file, it will generate the systems in two levels. First, this is exactly the use case map generated for the individual use cases. So here it starts with the precondition. The customer already has an existing account, and this shows this particular color shows for the customer, and this is shows for the system, and this specific color shows the authentication system. So customer, system, and authentication system represents here the components, and these are the responsibilities that has been shown using it. So this is your OR fork, this is also your OR fork, and these are the responsibilities related to the individual components. Suppose this is the system level, and if we are interested to make the identify the functional dependencies for all the use cases which are associated with the system. So these are the use cases, and these use cases can also be found in the GitHub link that we have in the. So when we submit all those files, it will actually process all those files and generate the individual use case maps and also the system level use case maps. So here you can see that we have submitted 9 files. So it will generate 9 different use case maps for the individual use cases, like 1, 2, for the cancel account, update account information, login, apply for financing, create new account, search catalog, browse catalog, and maintain and shopping cart. So these are the 9 different use cases, and here you can see when you click on one of the use case, you will find this specific thing, and you can actually download this file such that it could be used for other set of purpose. And then there is a system overview. So when we actually click on this system overview dot, you can see that this is a very big and combined all those set of things. So it is really a very complicated structure of representing the system level things, that how the system level things will actually looks like. So this specific tool is hosted on the web, and then and can also be accessed online using this specific link. So we have mentioned this link in the paper itself, and also we have uploaded all those set of all the files that we have used, and also for the scripts and other set of links in the GitHub, so that it could be accessible later. So in the current version of the tool will only allows the user to input the specifications in a specific format, and later we intend to remove this restriction. The UI and UX of the tool is another area of improvement, and we are working on